الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الفاتحة اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صدق الله العظيم. Whenever we open any book, the first things we try to find is what is the topic of the book. What is the benefit we will get out of that book? And what message do we derive from that book? Unfortunately, when we open Quran, most of us don't think like this. They think that we are reading the book of Allah just to get good deeds, which is true. However, they should think that if they read Quran and they also understand Quran and they also act on it, then how much more good deeds will they get? There is absolutely no comparison about it. But to achieve that status, to achieve that attitude, we must understand that what is the topic of Quran? What is Allah telling us in Quran? And the topic of Quran is human guidance. The guidance for human beings is the topic of Quran. But what kind of guidance? If somebody asks you how to reach to point A, you can give them directions that go straight, turn left from the first light, and then from the next light you turn right and you will be at point A, which is your destination. But what, this is also guidance, right? But what is Quranic guidance? Quranic guidance is to get oneself free from the total lost situation. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Asr, Wal Asr, by the time, Innal insana lafi khusr. Indeed, the human beings are in total lost situation, complete lost situation. And what is that complete lost situation? Is that if a human being just follow their worldly instincts, they will go lower and lower and lower and lower till the end of their life, and they end up in hellfire. But Quran tells tells us how to live our lives, to raise ourselves up and to reach higher and higher positions till we get to the Jannah, which is the highest achievement anyone can have in this life. So when we ask this dua that I recited in every rak'ah of our salah, ihdina sirat al-mustaqim, what do we ask Allah? Oh Allah, guide us to the straight path. And from the next surah in Quran, Surah Baqarah, if we open the second ayah, says, ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ هُدًى لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. Now this is the book without any doubt, and this is the guidance for the muttaqeen. From the next page after Surah Fatiha till the last page where we recite Surah Nas, the whole Quran is about human guidance. Quran itself says about Quran that this is Hudal Linnas, that this is the book which is the guidance for the humanity. It says Hudan wa rahmatan lil muhsinin. This is the guidance and mercy for the muhsinin. And it says it is al huda, means the guidance, the absolute guidance. So after understanding the topic of Quran, which is human guidance, inshallah, whenever we read any ayah of Quran, our goal should be to get guidance from that ayah so that we can free ourselves from the hellfire and go in Jannah. Oh Allah, help us and read the Quran as it should be read. Oh Allah, help us understand Quran as it should be understood. Oh Allah, help us act on Quran as it should be acted upon. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.